Right now, a debate on nepotism is going on in Bollywood. Kangana Ranaut accused Karan Johar of being a flag bearer of nepotism. So, what's your take on this, man?
Well, I don't know. I think anyone who Karan has actually got into his movies, they could be the son and daughters of whoever. They're actually doing really well, and they act really well. Maybe they've been fortunate enough to learn from their fathers and mothers. But and Alia Bhatt, she's phenomenal, probably the best actress in our country right now, and I think it only comes naturally. So that's what I'd like to say.
I don't
understand why you can't be. I mean, there are a lot of celebrity kids who don't make it as good actors and actresses, and there are many who do. So,
but you were completely outsider,
yes.
And you made it big. You won a Filmfare Award, and so how have you ever faced some kind of discrimination of being an outsider or something?
Of course. I mean, coming to Bollywood and being new and not really knowing anybody, coming from absolutely different background. It's very difficult, and I struggle till today because it took me almost a year and a half, 2 years to really know what Bollywood is and how it works. And I'm a 2-year-old artist, and I'm here today in front of you. And I think I've only learned now, and it is very difficult for a newcomer. But I mean, hats off to Kangana. She's one of my favorite actresses, and she's made it on her own. So I think I'm someone similar.
Yeah, and Karan Johar even asked Kangana Ranaut to if she can leave Bollywood if she's feeling so much. So would you stand with Kangana, or?
I don't know if I'd like to comment on that. I have to see the whole interview properly before I comment on something.
And like that. My last question, ma'am. You just mentioned that you would like to wear a sari and a bindi next time. So, are we seeing you are probably getting married soon?
No, I'm not getting married anytime soon.
No. Anytime soon. No. You have any plans, ma'am?
I have a lot of music coming out, and that's my only plan right now.
Okay.
My only plan is to make you guys happy and dance.
Okay,
so, music coming out this year, and
okay.
Yeah.
And can we know a little about it, if you can give us?
No, I can't talk about it, but I have a huge. Apart from my Bollywood, I'm doing a lot of independent work. So okay. I think, and that's all produced by me. So it's. I hope everybody supports me in it, and let's see how it goes.
Any plans for a acting debut, ma'am?
Well, I've had a lot of offers, and nothing that I can announce yet, but you never know.
Yeah. So. Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am. It was nice talking to you. Thank you.